Hello. How are you, Kanchi? Okay, very good. All right, what's that? That looks nice. Your headband looks nice. Is that a crown? Wow.
A butterfly.
Ah, I thought it's a crown.
I have a new clip.
Oh, new clip. Wow, that's nice. Who bought that?
My teacher gave to me.
Oh, how many clips do you have?
Many. You see many.
You got many clips?
Wait, he's got many more.
Wow. Oh, what's that? Is that, can I see it? What's that? Oh, wow. A girl. Okay, that's nice.
I have a bear. Look.
Wow, a bear too. Cutie, cutie.
There's a many more.
You have many more. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so
Let's learn.
yes, let's learn. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Goodbye, little vampire. Oh, I am in the hospital.
Kenchi, can you read the title of the lesson, please?
What's the matter?
Okay, so what do you think? What picture is that? What is that place that you can see on the screen?
Happy Rail.
Again.
Happy Rail.
Okay. So is there a hospital near your place?
Not near.
Is it far?
Near a bit.
A little bit. Okay. All right. So here, Kanchi, what do you think is the matter with the people on the picture? So the first one, what does he feel in number 1?
I don't know.
Look, what is aching in number 1? What's aching? Yes, very good. How about number 2? What is aching?
I don't know.
Look at the old man, the grandpa. He's holding his ear. What do you call that?
I don't know. Ear.
Yes, ear. And then, how about number 3? What's the problem with him? What's the problem with him in number 3? Yes, he is sick. And number 4, what happened to his feet or his legs?
He has hurt.
Yes. So now, these are the names or the problem with the persons. Okay, so number 1, Kenchi, can you read it? Toothache.
Toothache.
Next one. Earache. Okay, number 3. Temperature and hurt. Okay. How about this one? What's the problem with the first person? What do you think is the problem with the first person? I will show you. Can you read it, Kanchi? Teacher Biang Araneta. Okay, cup. That's cup. Next one. What's that? Okay, can you say it? That is sneeze.
Sneeze.
Next one.
Stomach.
Stomach what?
Stomach.
Stomach ache. Okay, and last one is?
Backache.
Backache. Very good. Okay, so now, Kenchi, write E-I-O or U on the lines to complete the words and sentences. So again, you will put E-I or U. Okay? So here, Kenchi, what do you think is number one sentence?
Anything.
Okay, here, I will show you, all right? This is an example. So number one, I've got stomach ache because I ate hundreds of chips at school today. See? You're going to put letter here. Letter E, I, O, and U. Here, I've got a stomach ache because I ate hundreds of chips at school today. Can you do it, Kanchi? Number two? No? What do you think is the first word? I will help you. You don't know? Here. The answer, the word here is we. How about this one? What letter are we going to put here? You don't know again? It's letter E. We walked. What do you think is this word? No again. Answer is lot.
Yes.
We walk a lot. What do you think is this word? This is very easy.
Yesterday.
Okay, very good. Yesterday and?
New. Bad.
And now?
Now.
What do you think is this word? This is both. Both my feet. What is hurt? Very good. We walked a lot yesterday and now both my feet hurt. Last one, Kanchi, let's answer it. So what do you think is this first word?
When my
this is cousin and when my cousin and I, what's this word?
Want?
No, change it. There's no letter A. E, I, O, or U only. What letter are we going to put here? When my cousin and I Went. What's this sport?
Skating.
Skating last
Week.
week. I
Hurt
hurt
my head and
you choose letter E, I, O, U. What do you think? And he. This is he. And he. What's this word?
hurt
Hurt
his
his. Very good.
head. And what's on the left?
What is this blank? Let's see. Okay. I've got a stomach ache. No. When my cousin and I went skating last week, I hurt my hand. Okay. I hurt my hand and he hurt his foot, leg, or arm. Okay. So now, did you know, Kanchi? My stomach hurts. So what sentence is correct, Kanchi, when you say my stomach hurts? Can you read it? I've got
a stomach
ache. Okay, very good. So here, Kanchi, in both sentences, part of your body hurts. We can use hurts with any part of our body. Example, eye ache, ear ache, foot ache, stomach ache, tooth ache. All right? So you can put the word ache in all parts of your body. Okay? So here, let's have this. Okay, so here, Kanchi, read the sentences. Write the number and letter of the pictures in C. Okay, so example, number 1. This woman hurt her arm this morning. Okay, so the answer is 4C. Can you see it?
Yes.
This one, 4C. So how about number 2, Kanchi? Can you read it, please?
This boy has outside in the wind yesterday. Now he's got
earache.
1B.
Okay, 1B. Number 3.
Oh dear, that woman hurt her hands. Now she can play basketball.
Where is the picture of the woman who hurt her hand? That's an arm, not a hand.
This woman.
Okay. 4.
A.
Very good. Last one, number 4.
That woman does look well. He got a temperature. 2A.
Again, the man. That's the man, not woman. The man doesn't look well. He's got a temperature.
3C.
Okay, good job, Kanchi. 3C. 3 points. Okay, so next one. Number 5. What's number 5? This boy.
This boy need to see the dentist. He got very bad toothache. 1A.
Okay, 1A, number 6.
This man carried a big bag from the car. Now his back hurt. 3B.
Okay, very good. Next one.
Give that girl a glass of water, please. He got a coat.
She's got a cup.
2A.
What's your answer?
2A.
Are you sure? 2A? She's sneezing. Now, where's the picture of the woman who's coughing?
I can see.
It's near 2A. It's very near 2A.
2B?
Yes, it's 2B. Next one, number 8, please.
That man always ate too quickly. Now he got a stomach ache. 3A.
Okay, very good. 3A is correct. So total of 7 points. Very good. Okay, now listen and take the box. Okay, Kanchi?
Yes.
Let's begin.
Again.
Yeah, this is very easy, so don't worry.
19C. What's the matter? Listen and tick the box. 1. What's the matter with Ben?
You don't look well, Ben.
I know.
Have you got toothache again?
No, it isn't that.
What then? Have you got a headache?
No, it's my ear. I've got earache today.
Let's phone the doctor.
2. What was the matter with Kim today?
Kim didn't come to school today.
Why not? Was she tired?
No.
Did she have a cold then?
No, she has a cough.
Where's the cough?
What's...
It's letter B, right?
Cough.
It's letter B. Okay, next one.
What's the matter with Dad?
Dad, what's the matter? Have you got stomach ache?
No, not today.
Does your back hurt?
No, but I've got a temperature, I think.
Oh dear.
4. Why did Mum go to hospital?
My mum had to go to hospital this morning.
Oh dear. Why? Did she hurt her leg?
No, it wasn't her leg or her arm.
What did she do?
She hurt her hand.
I see.
All right, so let's check your answers. Number 1, what's the matter with Ben? Answer is B. Number 2, what is the matter with Kim today? Letter B. What's the matter with Dad? Letter C. And number 4, why did Mom go to the hospital? Answer is A. Very good. Okay. So now, Kanchi.
I'm Tom. And you, Sue?
Yeah. Okay, so it says here, read and choose the best answer. So teacher will be Sue and you are going to be... no. question and you just read the answer, okay? So in number one. Okay. So number one. Why weren't you at school yesterday, Tom?
I went to hospital. C.
Okay, I went to the hospital. What was the matter?
I hurt my foot.
Okay, very good. Next one. The nurse was really nice.
Sue, right?
Yeah, you are Sue. The nurse was really nice.
Was she? Right?
Okay, wait. Yes, you're correct. Was she? Next one. So, are you all right?
Yes, don't worry.
Yes, don't worry. What are you doing now?
Waiting for my dad.
Waiting for my dad. Very good. Okay, next one. Let's wait for it. It's still loading. Is that a sticker?
No, it's a clip.
Oh, it's a clip. I thought it's a sticker. Okay, let's wait first. It's still loading.
Oh, loading.
Yeah. Oh, see?
Slowly. Look, I have a ring.
Wow, what's that ring?
Anna and Elsa.
Anna and Elsa?
Yes.
Wow, that's so nice. Who bought you that?
My teacher gave to me.
Ah, is that your birthday gift?
No.
Why did she give you that?
I'm wearing this, and my teacher gave to me.
Your teacher gave to you. Okay, wait a minute, Kanchi. I have to close this one. The PowerPoint is not functioning. So wait a minute. We have to close it. Wait for me. Still not functioning. Wait, Kanchi.
are you doing?
Yeah, I closed the PowerPoint, so I have to open it again. Okay, wait. Yeah. Here, it's here now.
See.
Yeah. Wait. Okay, here. Very good. It's working now.
Look. Wait for me.
Oh, all right.
Oh, it's this.
Okay, let's begin again. So now, Kenji, it says here, complete the sentence about Tom. Use 1, 2, or 3 words. Here, just look at the picture, okay? So number 1, Tom went to the hospital because he, what happened to Tom?
I don't know.
What do you think? You can look at the picture.
I don't know.
Here. Tom went to the hospital because he hurt his foot. Next one, number 2.
Nice. The next one. The note that Tom saw was really nice.
Okay, how about number 3?
Tom not in.
Tom's not in.
I don't know.
Tom's not in hospital now. He's in the street and he is okay. So here, Kanchi, let's answer. Find 5 differences between Tom and Paul. Kanchi, tell me the differences between Tom and Paul. Give me 5 differences between Tom and Paul. What? What? What's the difference between Tom and Paul?
I think.
What do you think? What do you think? Think.
Tom is her foot and Paul is her arms.
Okay. Tom hurt his foot while Paul hurt his arm. What else? Number 2. What else do you think? You have no idea now? Okay, so here. Let's see. Okay, Tom and Paul both hurt a part of their body, but 4 things are different. Example, Tom is at home, but Paul is in the hospital. Okay, now, what are the other 4 things that can you see, Kanchi? So your first answer was Tom hurt his foot while Paul hurt his arm, right? Give me. Yeah, there's 2 now. Now you can see 3 more. What do you think is that 3 differences? Know the answer, or do you want me to tell you? Here, let's see. Tom isn't sleeping in bed, but Paul is sleeping in bed. Next one, can you read it?
Tom has got brown hair, but Paul got black hair.
Okay, next one.
Yummy.
Yeah, you answered this one, right? Tom hurt his leg, but Paul hurt his arm. So so that's all. Okay, now Kenchi, write answers to the questions about Paul, okay? So number 1 is an example. Why didn't Paul come to school today? Answer is he had to go to the hospital, okay? So number 2, Kenchi, what's the matter with him?
He got hurt him.
Okay, he hurt his arm. Now, how did he do that, Kenchi? How did he do that? So you give me an idea. Why do you think he hurt his arm? You can think of your answer. Why do you think Paul hurt his arm? So maybe he is playing basketball and then he hurt his arm. Okay. Now number 4. Where is Paul now?
In his bed now.
Okay. Is he at home or is he in the hospital?
At home.
Okay, he is in the hospital. Okay, but anyway, that's also correct because in the picture, you can see Paul lying in the bed. Okay, so it can be in the hospital or in the bed. Okay, so you got 2 points here, Kenchi. Okay, now, saying the letter or the sound ch. Okay, can you say it, Kenchi? Ch. Okay, now read the words with ch sound.
Charlie chose a cheese sandwich for lunch.
Okay, next.
He ate a lot of carrot cake, then he has a stomach ache.
Okay, very good. So, when the letter CH, Kanchi, when the letter CH is in the middle of the word, you pronounce that as k, right? But, yeah, example is school. So, CH sounds like k. Okay. And then, when the letter CH is in front of the word or after the word, it sounds like ch. Okay, so example is?
Chair. Chair.
And?
Lunch.
Okay, very good. So here, tell me if it sounds like k or ch, okay? Cheese. Sandwich.
One more.
Sandwich.
Tea.
Stomach.
Cake.
Catch.
Tea.
Okay, ache.
Cake.
Beach.
Tea.
Okay, very good. So now let's answer this one, Kenchi. Okay. This is let's not answer this one because it says here that you must draw a picture about toothache, okay? So let's skip that and let's open one more lesson here. Oh, where is it?
my name.
Oh, wait for me. I'm still opening it. Okay, here. Okie dokie. All right, so Kenchi, the next lesson will be?
Where?
Okay. Okay, so the title of our lesson is Where? Okay, so now Kenchi, write the words under the pictures. Okay, so you don't have to write it, just tell me your answer. Number 1A is an example, a playground. Okay, and how about number 1B? What is that place? What do you think is 1B? What is 1B? 1B. You choose your answers from the choices, Kenchi. What do you think is 1B? What's that? Is that a mountain? Is that a lake? Or what's that? Kenji, what's your answer in number 1B? Is that a beach? Is that a lake? Or what is that? Again, what's that? Is that a beach, a mountain, a lake, a river, the sea? What's that? What? Come on, you can do it. What is that picture? You can see clothes. There are lots of kinds of clothes. So what's that place?
A shop?
Okay, very good. Oh, later I will show you the answer. So I will write your answer. Number 1B is a shop. Oh, how about the next one?
A bank.
A bank. Next?
Hospital.
Okay, very good. So let's see. Oh, what happened? Wait a minute. Okay, a shop, a bank, and a hospital is correct. How about 2A?
A market, a supermarket.
Okay, a supermarket. Next one.
I don't know what supermarket or market.
So how about letter B? Look at the picture. Does it look like a supermarket or a market? It's in the street. Oh, what's that?
Market.
Okay, a market. Next one.
Okay.
Yes. Next one, letter C. What's that place? You can use your answer 2 times, okay? You can use your answer 2 times. How about letter D? What's this?
Playground.
Okay. Next one. How about letter C? What's this place? They are buying toys. And some stuffs. So what's that place? What do you call a place where you can buy something?
A shop.
Okay, a shop. So now let's check if you got the correct answer. A supermarket, a market, a shop, and a playground. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. Very good. All right. So we don't have enough time to continue this one, Kenchi. So let's continue again on Thursday. Okay. Oh, what happened to your clip? Is yellow your favorite color, Kenchi?
Yes, and pink.
Yellow and pink. Okay. All right. So see you again on Thursday, Kenchi.
See you.
Goodbye-bye.
Bye-bye. Goodbye.
Chukmungon.
Chukmungon.
Bye-bye, little vampire.
Bye-bye, little vampire.